quick recap ngo-Witness B. And I'm sorry I couldn't do content about it because ngenanelizwinyana nje elingekho gesond, but ke nokulibuyile. Andikwazi futhi ungathethi ngembokodo yethu engu-Witness B. Witness B, most Witness A uye wafika oyi-investigator ne wasichazisela ngoba investigation yabo ihambe njani, but watsho wathi khona umaqhuzu ongu-Witness B, and I was very happy ukuthi ndazi ndoba sithetha ngembokodo apha ezibhaqa iselumpiza amadoda. Okay, uye wafika u-Witness B clarify this thing into details. Wa collaborate story sakhe no Witness A based on whatever was said by Witness A. So Witness B usithathe wasichazisela kabanzi ngoba isuka phi lento, because besisivile mos nangu Witness A okanye besivile nje binokwenza nokwenza netender yase Transnet uba yathini le tender yathini sive na ngeQtech company singazi ba ingandoni. So uye wasiphi structure basically. uLucky Molefe ongumtshana kaKate Molefe wayesebenza eTransnet, so I think ebepha ku supply chain indlela enibona ngayo. Okay, so kukhona iQtech company ukuthi it was the regular company ibisebenzisana neTransnet, but kuthe xa maybe kumele ku renew icontract yana advertisewa icontract. Le contract yase Transnet emali serious yaphiwa ntoni, yaphiwa iSK company ebingena competition for that matter. Le SK company wenze ukuthi inokwenza nabo bani nabo Molefe o Lucky Molefe. Lucky Molefe ongumtshana kaKatiso Molefe, but ngendlela okuvela ngayo sokuvela ngathi unyana kaMolefe I think uThapelo Molefe ongunyana ngqo kaKatiso Molefe inyoba icompany be registered under because ibonisa ngathi le mali iye yangena kwicompany ku as a result nguye uThapelo Molefe obeke necontrol ukuthi abhatale obani. As a result kwavela lento ethi ingathi even idirector yale SK company Mbumbulu ibibhatala imali ngange 30,000 ukuthi sithethe ngama millions apha. So uzamile ukusipha into details ba isuke phi lento. So kuthe kusesenjalo kwa ingathi through ile tender yomshikashika iSK company yenza iphutha loba ifune ukuthenga okanye ukube yaba exposed to iQtech company. iQtech company ibona imali ba man kutheni ngathi izinto okumele bazicharge imali ethizeni zithwe chatha kakhulu, not chatha kancinci, because thetha about 1,400 and something percent more. So asithethe ngoba into xa kuthiwa i10 rand bayibiza 100 rand, into kuthiwa i10 rand bayibiza about 10,000. So that's what was happening. So after I pick up lento lena iQtech company, then ya notify ke ngoku iTransnet. Ithe Transnet mase find out lento kwavela ukuba kuzaba khona investigation ezakwenzeka phi eTransnet. Kulapho bafuna khona into ba uLucky Molefe makafanalize izinto akazifanalizayo, bafuna ezi document because bafuna ukuscrutinize lo mcimbi wale tender. After they realizile oLucky Molefe into bakwenzakalani kulapho khona baye bafuna ukuthini ukuya kule QTech because iyo babhaqisela ndithi badile neQtech. Unfortunately ingathi ayo is the actual whistleblower le eyabiyabulawa baye by mistake abecinga into ba nguAman Swart ngoba noAman Swart usebenza pha, but uAman Swart had nothing to do with lo mcimbi wobu whistleblower. As a result isesekhona eyona whistleblower, and it cannot be named because of sensitivity bale case. So babulale umuntu wrong. So usithathe wasisela kuqala because besimvile Witness A into kuye wathi into ba ke kwascoutwa phanga bo 1299, but singayivanga ncane ingcazela yayo yonke lento. So usiphile ibroader explanation into ba isuka phi lento, because ibile xa iqala uyithethe nje ngomuntu ongumama into ba sifike njani apha. What? Let me take you back to how did we get here. So why I'm going to explain again londo. So after then, because in that lendo by pick up nge 12 ingathi into ba kuna le scrutiny esakwenziwa pha koMolefe kwakuthi ke ngoku immediately bayaya baqalisa ukuscout befuna ukubulala lo muntu okungenzeka into nguye umuntu obabaqesile of which baphethe bebulala abanye bebulala lo Amanzwart. Iyavela into ukuthi ke ngoku uKatiswa not okay uKatiswa uke naye ukuze alinkeke kule case lena kukhona nalapho kwayena ifone yakhe iye yaba kuma towers cell phones izine towers ke into econnecta ibonisa ifone yakhe bike yaqedwe endaweni ethile eke yambeka pha wazovela nento ethi yena hayi yena wayelibele ifone yakhe kuTawu kuMichael Tawu Pule lo owaye obekele kuthiwa yiphoyisa naye elelazibhaqala kulomgila mkhuba lona. As a result uwitness B usichazisela into ba into abancedile into ba kuyokuba khona iCCTV yabonisa even the time bosibaqale nge12 ukuscouter so baboniwe ziboniwe izimoto zisehla zenyuka zicheck icoast nge12 I think nge15 boma 16 apho then nge17 is April 2024 kulapho uAmanzwart ebulewe khona. Iyavela na ku CCTV isihlungu indlela abambulaye ngayo because it's about 22 or 23 bullets akabulwe nga bebengafuni ukushiya ukwenza nje mistake yoba kuthiwe use ICU bebengafuni nje bamaqedwe ICU. They wanted to make sure into bayacisha bayagqola ngaye kula ndawo. It's on camera ke ngoku. 2 individuals are shown on that camera. So bekezaba uyiajuwa ke uKatiswa into bayena kangeni indawo but uyawalinkwa ngento ezifana nalezo. Into encedile apha into ba because of CCTV bokukhona newitnesses eza observe lento zayibona then za notify ke amaphoyisa ukuze kube bayabotshwa bebushwa kwezo moto zabo ngaphi ngaseBrimley. Ukuthi bancede ukuthi kune CCTV yenye besokunomkhondo yababophisa yabalinka back to le case ke ngoku ngolamcimbi wama cartridges because inoba after bedubulile bethe baye badobha ama cartridges wakhona bawafaka eplastic in about 15 ngawo lababotshwe nawo bekulondawo kwabe kuneke bafumana nemabhena phone ke otilili vele otilili abalahlisa umkhondo ukuthi kuthi xa benabo bewa scrutinizer begowa through wona ba pick up into wabo kunayo conversation between bona abo Pule Tawu plus uKatiswa Molefe. So suspects that were arrested for that matter ngu Floyd bankaneni Mabusela or something like that ne, and then kube ngu Musa Kekana kube ngu Pule nguMichael Pule ongu-brigadier ke yena olingu-captain osesiphoyiseni. Even that day he was supposed to be at work. So that's how we came about this. So on my next one, because I don't want it to be too long, I will explain other things that he like witness B we was amukuthi as clarify lezona ethetha kabanzi going to be thethwe ngubani witness A. Mbokotho yethu le. Fazo sithole sempini yamadoda. Hey!